Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best TV antenna for smart TV. Number 1. HIDEMI Channels. Enjoy crystal clear local channels without the burden of costly cable bills. This advanced antenna is designed with the latest smart IC chip technology, optimizing signal transmission while minimizing interference for a sharper, more reliable viewing experience. Supporting HD, 4K, and even 8K signals, it brings your favorite shows and movies to life with vibrant detail and zero pixelation. With an impressive reception range of up to 800 plus miles and 360 degrees signal coverage, it ensures access to additional channels even if you're far from broadcast towers. The included 16.5 feet high-performance coaxial cable makes placement flexible, whether in your living room, bedroom, RV, or even outdoors, so you never miss entertainment wherever you are. Installation takes less than a minute. Simply connect the antenna to your TV, place it near a window or wall, and run a channel scan to start enjoying free local programming instantly. The sleek, compact design complements any decor, blending seamlessly into your environment while saving space. Even older TV models paired with a set-top box can benefit from reliable reception. Ideal for home use or as a thoughtful gift, this antenna delivers unmatched convenience, performance, and style backed by dedicated customer support. Number 2. Yimayinu Digital. Enjoy uninterrupted entertainment with a powerful antenna designed to deliver superior clarity and performance. Featuring an advanced built-in amplifier, it provides strong, reliable signal reception that eliminates buffering, pixelation, and weak connections. Whether you're streaming the evening news, cheering for your favorite team, or catching the latest shows, you can enjoy consistently clear channels with support for HD, 4K, and even 8K resolution, ensuring every detail comes to life on screen. Perfect for any environment, this versatile antenna works seamlessly indoors or outdoors. Place it in your living room, office, balcony, or even mount it on the rooftop for maximum reception. Its lightweight, sleek design blends effortlessly into any setup, while offering flexibility for use at home, in apartments, RVs, or campers. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, it stands strong against rain, snow, heat, and cold, delivering stable performance year-round without losing quality. Setup is quick and hassle-free. Just connect, position, and scan for channels. No complex tools or technical expertise are required, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants reliable access to local programming. Stylish, practical, and long-lasting, this antenna ensures a smooth and enjoyable TV experience wherever you are. Number 3. Cusvuevi Local. Cut the cord and enjoy endless entertainment with an ultra-long-range antenna designed to bring free local channels right to your screen. With a remarkable 1,800-plus mile coverage range, it's compatible with both smart TVs and older models, delivering crisp 4K, HD, and 1080p resolution. Perfect for anyone looking to save money, it eliminates the need for costly cable subscriptions while still giving you access to news, sports, and your favorite shows. For the best results, make sure your TV has an HD tuner to enjoy smooth and reliable reception. Equipped with a powerful built-in amplifier and signal booster, this antenna ensures enhanced stability by minimizing interference. The result is a consistently clear picture and immersive audio that keeps you engaged. Its robust waterproof, windproof, and lightning-proof construction makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, guaranteeing dependable performance in any weather. Installation is simple with the included 33 feet coaxial cable that allows flexible placement wherever reception is strongest. Just connect, plug in, and scan to unlock a variety of free channels instantly. Designed for convenience, durability, and premium viewing quality, this antenna transforms your entertainment experience without the burden of monthly fees. Number 4. Fronguld Digital. Experience next-level entertainment with an upgraded antenna built to deliver exceptional long-range signal reception. Designed with the newest smart IC chip and powerful signal booster, it can capture channels from over 1,000 miles away while optimizing transmission to reduce interference. Even if you live far from broadcast towers, you'll still enjoy more channels with crystal clear quality. With 360 degrees reception, it captures signals in every direction, indoors or outdoors, and remains unaffected by bad weather conditions, including thunderstorms. The 16.5 feet high-performance cable ensures stable connections, giving you flexibility to place it on a wall, window, or desktop for the strongest signal possible. Equipped with dual-mode functionality, this antenna allows you to switch between long-range and short-range reception, depending on your distance from the tower. Long-range mode is ideal for areas over 35 miles away, while short-range mode ensures efficiency closer to towers. Say goodbye to costly cable bills and enjoy hundreds of free local channels such as ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, PBS, and more in stunning HD quality. Installation is effortless. Simply connect and scan for channels to start watching instantly. Backed by professional customer support, you're guaranteed a hassle-free experience and reliable performance every time. Number 5. Pingbingding Motorized. Upgrade your home entertainment with an amplified outdoor antenna designed to deliver stunning clarity and unmatched performance. Featuring a high-gain, low-noise amplifier, it ensures superior signal reception for distances up to 150 miles, allowing you to enjoy free hdtv channels in 4K and 1080p with crisp picture quality and clear sound. No more expensive subscriptions. Just access your favorite local news, sports, and entertainment with ease. Engineered for convenience, this antenna offers 360 degrees motorized rotation controlled by a wireless remote, so you can quickly align it for maximum signal strength without leaving your seat. Built with weatherproof materials, it withstands rain, wind, snow, and harsh outdoor conditions, making it reliable for year-round use in both urban and rural environments. Designed with dual TV outputs, it lets you connect 2 televisions simultaneously without needing additional splitters or equipment, offering flexibility for the whole household. Plus, it's next-gen TV, ATSC 3.0, ready, ensuring your setup is future-proof for enhanced visuals, immersive sound, faster refresh rates, and internet-integrated features once available in your area. The included installation kit with 59 feet RG6 coaxial cable and easy-to-follow guide makes setup simple. Supported by professional technical assistance, you can enjoy peace of mind with every use. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.